everyone. Today we have Lance in the hot seat today. We'll be taking care of Lance's hairline. We'll be reinforcing the hairline, making him look sexy again. And we're targeting 3,500, 3,800, 4,000 grafts to cover as much as we can, including the hairline going as far back as we can. You're excited, Lance?
Oh yeah, super excited.
Super excited?
Been waiting for this day.
Amazing. We're going to take amazing care of you. Guys, as you know, the procedure has 4 phases. For Lance right now, we're just going to start the shaving of the sides and in the back. We're going to keep the top long and we're going to design it in phase 2. Any questions, Lance, you have for me I can help answer?
No, I think we covered everything, yeah.
All right. Hopefully you don't prank us today, okay?
No, not at all.
We need to like focus.
We'll be good, we'll be good.
And we're going to also be doing stem cells and PRP for Lance just to reinforce, help with the healing, you know, sooner growth, minimizing shock loss, and higher survival rate of the grafts. Sweet. How did you react to the stem cells, the PRP treatment that we did for you about a year ago?
Yeah, so I've gotten PRP in the past without it, and there was a big difference with the stem cells.
You felt it?
Yeah.
What was the difference that you noticed? Less shedding or more density?
Just more density.
Or both?
I think both, yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Not feeling nervous, are you?
No, I think I'm good.
Okay, good. Super straightforward. Few seconds of discomfort, and then you're gonna do just fine.
Cool.
Alrighty. Sounds good.
Sounds good.
All right, let me have a marker. I'm outlining your donor, Lance. Lance is half asleep on us already. One eye open, one eye closed. Turn up a tad. So what I'm doing, Lance, is I'm outlining your donor just for the areas for us to stay away and the areas that we want to go into, which are denser, okay?
Okay.
How do you plan on styling your hair once everything's grown out?
It really depends how it looks, but I've always wanted to pull it forward. Because like I feel like I have a bigger forehead, so I was hoping we can bring down the hairline a little bit to
we will
make it
lower,
not
but we gotta make it look natural.
Of course. So it really depends. Either forward or back or both.
Let me have a camera. Thank you. All right. If I can please have a clipper. Thank you. You said you want me to shave your entire beard, right?
Yeah. I look like an egghead.
How'd you hear about us, Lance? Referral?
Yeah, referral.
Guys, make sure you follow Lance on his Instagram page just for the updates, okay? What's your Instagram? Is it Lance Stewart?
At Lance210.
At Lance210. So, as you guys know, results won't show at least until 4 months. 6 months is when it's really going to look super duper amazing. So for the first 3 or 4 months, there isn't really much to see. 6 months, Lance, you're going to look out of this world amazing, okay? Cool. So it's not going to be an overnight process, but it'll come in with time. How's grandma?
She's good.
She's good?
Yeah.
You keep pranking her still?
Not as much. I've taken it a little easy over the past, like, almost a year.
She's
If I
funny.
have a good idea, I'll do it, but she doesn't have the greatest energy anymore.
It's awesome how you have that relationship with her.
Yeah, she's great.
This isn't tugging on your skin, is it?
No.
Straighten up a bit. Alright, Lance, I shaved your donor. What I'm doing next is just a grid, okay? So I extract the same number of grafts per square. So your donor region looks nice and untouched once everything's grown out, because we will equally extract the follicles per square. And I think Lance is just having fun right now, chilling, relaxing. He's half asleep. We gave him a medication in the arm to relax him. Doing good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20 squares. All right. Lance, you're gonna feel something cold, okay? We're gonna disinfect. Here we go, the donor. All right, let's get one more, please. Here we go. It's a little cold, Lance. All right. Let me have a try gauze. Thank you. Let me have one more, please. One more gauze. Thank you. All right, Lance. Guess what?
No.
I'm gonna have to do the numbing next, okay? You're gonna have just a few seconds of pokes here, a few seconds on top, a few seconds here, a few seconds on top. That's gonna be the most sensitive portion of the space. If you could tolerate this, the rest is super duper easy. Lance, you gotta act tough right now. I know you're tough, but you can't show any weakness. There goes my
I saw
glove.
no weakness, just tired.
All right. You're also going to feel a little vibration device right here. All right. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Few seconds here, few seconds on top. Same on this side. Take a deep breath for me. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Here we go. The most sensitive portion of Lance. You're going to do amazing. 1, 2, and 3. I could stop anytime you need me to. Quick break. Good job. All right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. That's it. You did it.
Get you a little bit of juice. Lance, you want a little bit of juice?
This just like
All right, here we go. Doing amazing, Lance. Perfect. Now we're gonna numb the left side and you're all set. The rest It's super duper easy. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Good job, Lance. All done. Lance, you survived. You made it through. Worst part's behind you. Basically, the rest of the day is going to be pain-free. You did amazing.
I'm out of it.
Sounds good, Lance. We're going to get you in position and we're going to get started, okay?
Yeah.
All right, numbing. You shouldn't feel any of this, Lance. Should be pain-free. Beautiful. And here we go. That's okay, just water. All right, here we go. Any pain? No? Beautiful. Beautiful. Grafts are coming out amazing, okay? Yeah, good percentages. Single graft, 4 hairs. This will give 4 times the density. That's amazing. You're gonna get amazing looking density.
Sweet.
Yeah. Make sure you keep up with us, okay?
Yeah.
Keep us updated. And a lot of viewers want to have and see the outcome right away. And
Yes.
unfortunately, it does take about 6 months to see results.
Yeah.
4 months, 3 to 4 months, start sprouting, and then 6 months, you typically look really good.
Cool.
And that's typically halfway.
So most people probably don't know this, but there's like the shedding phase.
Yeah.
So like these hair
Definitely.
follicles that they're putting in, they're gonna grow, and then like what, like 2 to
A
3
month
months.
after.
A month after,
A
they're
month
gonna
after,
they're
they're
gonna
all
shed.
gonna shed.
So it's gonna
Yeah,
They're
which
gonna
is
come out,
normal.
which is
The
normal.
body takes the DNA and the hair follicles fall off, and then 3 or 4 months you start regenerating. Alright, I'm gonna have to do it. Let's measure the distance. 14. Bring your chin down a bit. Ideally, 7 would be the best location. So let's have a mirror. All right, let's take a look at this. Look at the distance from chin up a bit. Look at the distance from How was your sister's wedding?
It was great. We just had our wedding recently.
Oh, no
too.
way!
Yeah.
I had no idea.
Yeah.
Oh,
Married
congratulations.
A couple months, or not almost a month ago.
October
Sunday.
13th.
All right, congrats.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, not even a month.
Nope.
Mm-hmm.
Where'd you guys go for the honeymoon? Hawaii?
Not yet.
No?
No,
LA.
we're waiting because of this. Yeah.
LA FUE Hair Club.
Yeah.
Turn this way, bring your chin down. Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's awesome. Keep the eyes closed. Look down. Just like that. Just like that. Stay just like that. And we have pencil.
So sorry.
Alcohol for this one. These are like putting the final touches, you know?
Mhm.
Look down. We want it to be jagged, irregular, asymmetrical, okay? Turn this way. Yep. I'm just gonna take some measurements for my sake.
Mhm.
Pick a point on the wall. Just focus on there. Perfect. All right. Here's a ruler. Pick a point on the wall and just focus. Perfect. 7, 7. 8.5. 8.5. We got it. Goody got it. 7. Perfect. All right. Awesome.
Cool.
We have a winner. We're going to break down the zones next. Okay. So this is good information for everyone to know. All right. We're going to break down your zones. Let's do this side here. Turn towards me like this, Lance. Here. Turn this way a bit. That's if the back ever bothers you, come in the ear, we'll take care of that for you.
The
crown.
crown? Yeah.
Yeah, you can do it as early as a year.
9 months or a year?
And if you're in a rush, as early as 9 months, but we can't do anything in the areas that we transplanted, we would have to stay away from it. Or 12 months if you just want to do it the right way, where it's, you know, you're not rushing it.
Gotcha.
But at least as soon as 9 months, because of this, you have full growth up to a year, year and a half. The back, we're not going into it today, so if you're in a rush, 9 months. If not, 12 months is the best time.
Cool.
Turn this way. Man, I love this hairline on you.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm so glad we talked about it.
Yeah.
I got your ideas of what you were looking to achieve.
Yeah.
But yeah, you would have regretted that in like 6 months' time.
Yeah.
Honest. Many people are gonna be like, "Who gave you that hairline?" Jacques. Now I feel proud. All right.
Cool.
Here's this. Brand new hairline. Right and the left are very similar. They're not a mirror image of one another. You see all of this is all empty.
Yeah.
All of this is going to be filled.
Sweet.
Brand new hairline. We're going to put hairs in front of this line, which is going to make the hairline even more compact.
Cool.
We're going to do this right corner here. We're going to do this left corner here. Bless you, bless you. And then we're going to do zone 2. You mentioned these hairs don't really grow, so we're going to future proof. If I have anything extra, we're going to go a little bit in the crown.
Perfect.
Okay.
Awesome. Thank you.
With pleasure. You like it?
Yeah.
You agree 100%?
Yes, 100%.
Awesome. We're going to shave the rest of the hairs, okay? We're going to take some pictures next.
Here we go. Does it look goofy? You want to finish off the rest?
All right.
We're going
Here
bald.
we go. I actually like this look on you.
Yeah?
You
Can
wanna
I
see
pull
it?
it off? Yeah, let me see it.
You're going to start a new trend.
Dude, honestly, it could work, bro. And I just twirl the sides.
Twirl
Yeah.
the sides. There you go. We have a little rubber
Shave
band.
the head down the middle and just grow out the sides.
All right. Here we go. I'm super happy for you, buddy.
Thank you. I'm excited.
You're gonna look great in about 6 months. You said shave the whole beard, right?
No, please. Please don't.
You are so bald.
Yeah.
You want to change your mind?
No.
We'll donate your grafts to the patient, to someone else. I'm kidding, you can't. People
Yeah, I was just about to ask, is that a thing?
You know what's funny is your beard's a different color than your hair.
I know. It's like
Like
orange.
gold?
It's a red beard.
Yeah. It's the Irish Sicilian in me.
You're Irish Italian or just pure Irish?
I'm Irish Italian. It's a Sicilian from the Italian side. Yeah, Irish Italian. I got a whole. I'm a mutt, bro. I got everything in me.
Slide on over to your left a bit. Alright. Over this way a bit. Look down. Alright, don't move again. Alright, Lance, we have a winner. Okay? We're going to put the softeners under the hairline to make it look even more jagged and irregular. Make it zigzag. And like we talked about, we want to have a natural looking hairline. Your right and the left should look similar but not 100% identical. That's what's going to give away otherwise. Take a look. Bring your chin down a tad. Love it. All right. Here's a mirror.
Yeah, the beard definitely helps. That's crazy.
Looks good?
Yeah.
All right, good. All right, we're going to take some measurements. Pick a point on the TV, on the wall, in front of you. All right. Right, camera. This is going to be a little sensitive here, okay? So, here we go. Disinfecting the eyebrow. We're going to get a quick poke here, 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 here. By the time you say ouch, it's done, okay? I know you don't do well with needles, so I'm going to ask you to keep the eyes closed. I'm going to palpate. Close the eyes. You're going to feel an injection here, 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 and here. This hurts, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Don't move, don't move, don't move. That's it. You're done. It's super fast. Here comes the second one. Don't move. That's it. That side's done. You did it. You survived. I'll give you a second to catch your breath. And now we're gonna do this left side here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Don't move. Perfect. And here comes the second one. Don't move. 1, 2, 3. That's it. You did it. Worst part's behind you. I'm gonna go back in this eyebrow. Should be completely pain-free. Here we go.
I wouldn't say pain-free.
Second time around was less, correct?
A little bit
Usually it's pain-free. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Any pain here?
A little bit.
That's it. You did it. Good job. Good job, Lance. All right, I'm gonna give it about 2 minutes. You're gonna notice, Lance, how this
It's
is
going
gonna
numb.
feel
It's
super
already
tight,
going numb, yeah.
super heavy.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
already going.
this is numbing 75% of your scalp. You look angry like this. The eyebrows, you wanna see?
Do I look angry?
Like a little dinosaur. You see this?
Yeah, it's puffing.
Yeah, that's normal. Okay, all that's gonna go away in a little bit. All right, so we're gonna start with the next phase. Chin up to the ceiling a bit. All right, we're gonna get started. Here we go. Don't move. I'm injecting. Most of this should be pain-free. The corners are gonna suck right here.
Yeah, I feel it.
Sensitive, sensitive, sensitive. And last one. You did it. Good job, Lance. All right. Good job. What we did on the right, my wire, please. We're gonna do the same on the left side. If you could tolerate that, no more pain. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. A little sensitive here. Last one. That's it. You did it, Lance. You survived. No pain, right?
A little bit on that right side, but not bad.
Good. And this is what's going to cause your face to swell up. It's basically this fluid that I'm pushing in right now. Is just gravity's going to pull it down, buddy. That's it. You did it. You survived. Alrighty. Turn up to the ceiling. Here we go. Close the eyes. Think of happy, beautiful thoughts. You should not feel a thing. John, you're good. Here we go.
And then Jacques, do you want to explain this part to this camera?
Sure. So what we are doing for Lance right now is we are making the incisions for his hairline. We're going to outline his hairline at the moment. This typically takes about 450 singles for the hairline, and we want it to be jagged and irregular. He used to have a little whorl when he had a hairline. Hair separates in 2 different directions. One option is we can follow that, or we could give him a brand new direction in one angle and direction. Which one do you prefer, Lance? Your old hairline?
No.
Curving to the side or straight up and down? Neutral.
Yeah, neutral.
Neutral. Perfect. This phase will be about an hour and a half or so, then you're going to have lunch. And no more pain, no more discomfort, buddy. It's all behind you. How's New Jersey now?
Same old.
Is it?
Mainly there just for family.
Weather-wise?
It's wacky.
Is
It'll
it?
be like 50 degrees one day and the next day it's 80.
Mm.
Makes no sense.
I'll be in New York in December for about a week.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a warm winter, they said.
Is it?
Yeah.
We'll see.
It's so cool that you guys are so close to New York City.
Yeah, we're like a 2-hour drive. It's not bad.
Oh, 2 hour?
Yeah.
We're like closer to Jersey.
Got
Or I mean Philly.
it.
15 minutes.
Because there's parts of New Jersey which are like, what, 10, 15 minutes away, right? Just over the bridge?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So you're not that close.
We're in South Jersey. North Jersey is closer to New York.
I see.
Yeah.
Is it bleeding, man?
Nope.
Yeah.
The Depends on what standard bleeding. Is there a drop of blood? Yeah. Are you bleeding? Bleeding? No.
I'm bleeding out.
I wish everybody was like that.
Bleeding out? Get it?
No, like the way you have it, where it's just a droplet.
Yeah.
All right, Lance, how was lunch?
It was amazing.
Lunch was
Thank
good.
you.
What'd you have?
Chicken, rice, pita bread, pita chips, and a bunch of fruit.
Nice.
Yeah, I had
Love
some
it.
over there.
All right.
Yeah.
So out of the 4 phases, we're done with the first 3. So now you have the last phase.
Yes.
The last phase is basically what?
The implantation.
Implantation.
Yeah.
So have you seen your hairline yet?
Not yet.
Want to see it?
Let's do it.
All right.
I'm excited.
Hold on to this. I'm going to remove the cap. So
It's pushed back even further.
one
kidding.
thing I want to tell you, Lance, is what you see now is not the final product.
Yeah.
Okay? Everything's swollen. I know you wanted the super low aggressive hairline. We went as low as possible within natural borders. But what you're going to see now, it's elevated by 1 to 1.5 fingers. And right side is always higher than the left side just because when you shift your head, all the fluid from the left moves to the right.
You said shift about like a finger?
About 1 finger, yes.
Cool.
1.5 fingers, all right? So when you go home, this is how you remove the cap as well. Back to front. Don't be scared.
Oh my god. This is crazy.
I offered Lance if he wanted the widow's peak. He said no. But this is what I mean. Your right side is always more swollen than the left, so this is going to come down just like that in the next few days, okay?
Whoa.
That looks amazing.
I've never had, I can get a lineup now, bro.
No lineups. All right? The clippers will yank the hairs out.
Yeah, I'm joking.
But you got a nice looking hairline. We covered you all the way up to here. You have some thinning in the back, but that'll be for a future procedure.
Cool. Yeah, this
Like
looks
it?
great. Amazing. Thank you so much.
Amazing, Lance. So what we're going to do now is we are going to give the team the instructions of where we want the grafts to get implanted into.
Okay.
And we're going to get started.
Let's do it.
Sounds good. And we're going
Yes.
to do also your PRP stem cells.
Cool. Sweet.
You approve?
Yes, looks great. Thank you.
Pleasure, buddy. All right. Awesome. So basically what we're going to do is, Lance, I'm going to give the team all the instructions, okay, for the implantation. Incisions have already been made. Drop the head back for me. Look up to the ceiling. All right. So basically, all of your zone 1 is going to be triples, most amount of density. We're going to do singles for the hairline team for it to look natural. And we're going to go up to this line, triples. And basically, all of this back here is going to be twos. He's going to have maybe about 100 singles left. And then we're going to mix the 2s and 1s back here, but 95% is going to be all doubles. Okay, so singles for the hairline to look natural, triples up to this line, and then 2s and 1s in zone 2. Few more hours, Lance, and you're all done, okay? Your team's going to start implanting, and I'm going to come and do the PRP stem cells for you.
Cool.
Amazing. Liquid gold right here, okay?
My
So
plasma.
this is your plasma mixed in with stem cells, umbilical, and we're going to inject that to the scalp. That's going to help with sooner growth, minimize the shock loss, faster healing. My favorite, higher survival rate of the grafts. You're not going to feel a thing, okay?
Cool.
Look up to the ceiling. Chin up, chin up. Here we go.
This is crazy because I know the amount of times I've gotten PRP and I literally don't feel a single thing right now.
Good, that's the goal.
But I would feel it before, of course, because I'm not as numb.
You don't feel anything, right?
Not a single thing, no.
All right, Lance, you did it. You survived.
Let's go.
You did amazing, buddy. Very nice, very clean. Front's gonna be jam-packed, okay? It's gonna look fantastic. Have you seen it yet?
Yes.
You saw it?
A little bit. I used my phone. I didn't see it with a mirror.
You took a sneak peek in?
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna give you the mirror. So remember, Lance, what you see now is not the final outcome. Okay? It's gonna drop. It's gonna balance out without making it look too perfect. We don't want it to be identical. So right now you have a lot of swelling, more swelling on the right side than you do on the left side. All that is gonna drop next 3 to 5 days, maybe 7 days.
Cool.
All right? So let's fix the chair. And here you go.
Can you just hold it for me? Tilt it down. I gotta hold this. Yeah, that looks crazy.
All of this, you see that? This
Yeah.
lumpiness. Next few days, this is gonna come down just like that. Look
Sweet.
how good that looks.
Yeah, that looks amazing. Thank you so much.
With pleasure.
Holy crap.
And you got
That's
coverage
insane.
all the way back to there, buddy.
Wow. Great work, everybody. This is insane. Thank you
Looks
so
good,
much.
right?
Yes.
I asked you if you wanted a widow speak. You kind of said no.
Yeah, no, I think it'll look fine without it.
This is like very youthful.
Yeah, thank you.
You did amazing, Lance.
Thank you, thank you.
So this is where I normally go. Do you like it?
I love
Or
it.
do you? Oh,
I
there
love
you go.
I love it.
There you go. You got it.
I gotta keep pressure on
You
this. I'm
did
sorry.
amazing, Lance. And we'll have you back tomorrow
Yes.
for a follow up. Okay.
Okay.
You'll be with us for about 45 minutes. And
Okay.
please update us. And viewers, you could follow Lance's progress on his Instagram, on his TikTok, Lance210.
Yes.
At Lance210.
Yes.
All right, sounds good.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Thanks, guys.